Keep it coming, driver. You are clear on the left. Copy that, dispatch. Convoy is entering the main gate now. Truck Alpha 1 is cleared for delivery. You're doing great, big boy. Her vitals look perfect. Keep them moving smoothly. Steady on the blue carpet. All systems are normal in this section.
All clear in the forward bay. Vitals are looking perfect.
Gate 2 is clear. Proceed for departure. Have a safe drive, boys. Welcome to the facility. Please proceed to Bay 1. Shipment 240 is cleared for entry. Steady, girl. Right this way. Steady now, big fella. This way, big fella. You're doing incredibly well. Her vitals are completely stable after the scan. Excellent. Let us proceed to the next analysis. Steady, girl. Right onto the platform. Perfect. Let's record that exact weight. Vitals are holding perfectly steady. Let's begin the cranial scan.
Vitals are holding steady at baseline.
I'm pulling up the real-time cardiac feed now. All subjects are secure in the holding area. Activating hydraulic locks and safety seals now. Steady, big fella. Right this way. This eco leather handles beautifully. Perfect stitching on every belt. Welcome to the future of retail, where pure elegance meets flawless design. Experience luxury redefined. Good afternoon. This is a beautiful choice for a modern kitchen. Thank you. I am really looking forward to using them. It is truly our pleasure. Have a wonderful day. I'm just so thrilled with these premium glass teacups. They make the perfect gift for my family. Welcome to a world of pure luxury. Experience the finest collections. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more. I can help whoever is next in line here. Thank you for shopping with us today.